This video was brought to you by a better route planner, Kempower, Markus Bil, Stormberg and Bilkomponenter. Well, we're back home now. Let's take a look at the Google Sheet. So you see here, ID3 Pro 62 kilowatt facelift. Did it slower than the other ones, even slower than Max. Max was the slowest one because, no wait, oh my bad, it's actually faster, yeah. I'm looking at the wrong way. There. Max is of course the slowest because it has the biggest rims, but then this one is in the middle, but then Plus and the other ones, they are here, they are faster. Yeah, why are they faster? They have the same tires, even same dimension, look here, versus this one. But for some reason I measured that this facelift weighs 1900 kilograms, whereas these other ones here, first, I think this is the one, or first or Plus, they are 40 or 60 kilograms lighter. So that's why they are faster, but it seems like it has the same motor characteristics, 204 horsepower. So when it comes to acceleration, no difference there. And then braking as a new test I started doing not long time ago, about a year ago. So there I just wanted to see how well it brakes, and yeah, it is performing quite well. You can see that it's in the upper half. How many do we have? Well, the winter tires, they are kind of, at least you say here that we have around 30 cars. And then it comes in, okay, well, in the middle somewhere. So not the best, maybe because it doesn't have that fat tires. But in general, German cars, they brake very well. You can see on the top here, there are lots of German cars here. But okay, and the last thing we're going to check out is noise. So how did they do it then? Okay, when it comes to noise, also a new testing method I introduced about maybe a year ago or so, is that I started using the left lane because the right lane is getting more worn out and noisier. So if you compare this one, the facelift, around 66 decibel average versus the other ID3s, they come down here. So wait, how far do you have to scroll down? Here you see ID3 first, 68. That's whooping 2 decibel difference. But then bridge to Turanza, yeah, okay, bridge, okay, you see, I suspect maybe the Continental, what do you call it again, Continental Eco Contact, yeah, they are better. Wait, no, I'm slightly lost here. I need to, here, yeah, this one is Eco Contact. I suspect that it's Continental, they are quieter, and that in combination with the left lane makes it quieter. But I would assume that if we try to put this same tire on the pre-facelift, we would probably get the same result, because I didn't really hear any difference in noise levels here. So what does this mean? Well, it means that when it comes to acceleration, it's slightly worse because it's a little bit heavier for some reason. I'm not sure why. When it comes to braking, it performs about average, and when it comes to noise, it seems to be the same. So seems like Volkswagen, they haven't done any updates on that car even after 3 years. They did minor changes on the outside and a little bit of changes on the inside, seems like, okay, but we have to test it deeper to find out more. But I think that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.